This video was in the airport of Hong Kong last November 20 when I had my very short layover from Bangkok to Philippines. So going back to Philippines, I fly Cathay Pacific and it has a 1 hour and 45 minutes layover, so I had the chance to move around in the airport for 20 minutes at least. Now, these are the things that you will surely enjoy. Yeah, perfume and all. So in this trip, by the way, I was 5 days in Bangkok to attend the leadership training seminar of Reway International. This is an international business franchise. That's why I can travel, because it's an international business with stem cell health and beauty product. And that is reversing aging